Futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day? We are ready to see how the markets did overnight. To market. Oops. Just give me a minute. So ES dipped, then ripped. Not really ripped. We've definitely had a slowdown now compared to what we were seeing. It looks like 471 the low and 492 the high, so about 21 points in range. NQ 224 the high, looks like low 104. Yeah, no, 100. Okay, I see 100. That's good math. It's easy math. That's 124. Kappa, have an absolutely excellent day, you can see. Excellent day. 200 ticks. That's a little big move on Kappa. Everything has moved since I moved my lines. Just about a half a point there on the Ultra Bond gold. Back above 2,500. About 18 points in range. Crude oil. Yeah, wow, everything maybe remove my yellow lines about that. Just under a point in range. Natural gas is coming down. And Bitcoin's still stuck in the 58. So that's where we should stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. News this morning, jobless claims coming up. I think there's a bunch of other reports too. There are. U.S. retail sales, U.S. initial jobless claims, U.S. Philly Fed Business Index, New York Fed Manufacturing, all coming up at 8:30. 9:10, we have a Fed speaker. 9:15, we have U.S. industrial production month over month. 10 o'clock, U.S. business inventories, U.S. NAHB housing market index. 10:30, natural gas. Busy day this morning. Busy day. This will have been a nice play right here. Why am I on a 5-minute chart again? How do I always end up on a 5-minute chart? A nice play off the 5-minute chart. So there we go. There's my 1 minute. I swear a gremlin comes in and changes my chart to a 5-minute chart. Little pop there. ATR is about 6. Hey, IMAD. Good morning. Or afternoon, I guess it is for you. So, we started mentioning that indicator I've been testing out and I've become an affiliate of yesterday. And I'm looking here on, if we go back to a 5-minute chart, look at this. You know, they update it every day with the new levels. And it comes in the evening and I install it. And look how perfect this was. Came up, could not get through there and bounced off. It's really starting to impress me. We'll have to see how it does today. It's actually linguine. No, the red line there, I'm at. Not sure if I can make that any other color. Yeah, I could. Make it brighter red. There we go. I mean, it seems to just be support and resistance. You know, if you look here, this is, and there's more spaghetti here, but you know, this is all, yeah, this is an hourly chart. This is all the lines for today. You can see, you know, this was their main trigger point, and you can see how it bounced off that. Then these are just further out resistance and support down here. So you can see how it bounced off the first one. Fortunately, when it updates the new one, you don't see you don't no longer see yesterday's. So I got to start taking screenshots. I mean, yesterday was working really well too. Yeah. The thing, I mean, you know, it's interesting. It doesn't. I mean, I don't know what it's basing it on because it's not like you can see this line isn't like a. You know, if I was drawing support and resistance, I would draw the line at the top of this candle right here. This would be what I would think would be, you know, resistance. But you can see it's actually above that, but it ended up being almost perfect. I mean, it's just red is resistance and green is support. So I mean, they're what I've been noticing is it often bounces off at least once, then it might break through and go to the next one and might bounce off. So I mean, I've just been watching it for a few days, so we'll have to continue. But yeah, uh, hold on. Now they have other ones for Ninja Trader besides this that complement it. I don't know. I gotta ask if they have those for TradingView as well. Let me get back to my chart first, and then we'll. Wish I didn't need the spaghetti because I like the clean charts better, but I rely on my spaghetti, even if it is carbs. But oh yeah, the cost. That's what I'm looking at. My brain has been mush lately. 128 a month or 512 for a year. They also have other indicators that have a lifetime plans, a Fibonacci, a price action, a confluence, a divergence, a trailing stop. Just for that one. They also have a 2-week free trial. Well, not free trial. I'm sorry, 2-week trial for $30, but that seems a little. Might as get the 1 month. Well, maybe it's the 2-week trial is $30. I will get them updated on Ninja. Well, actually, let me look here real quick because we're kind of choppy here as we head toward news. EGI. Let's see if there's any other EGI stuff in here. I don't know. I don't know how it shows up when it's invite only. In other words, you got to pay for it before you get it, but we'll try. EGI. Ugh. Hold on. Maybe I need this little EGI. Ah, typo. That doesn't help. Okay, let's try this. Author. EGI indicators. Yes, scripts. So I guess if it's invite only, they don't show what they have available. Which kind of sucks. I'll throw the idea at them. The person behind the indicator, or the top person, is a genius. I guess a genius level data scientist. She has a doctorate. Yeah, I'll definitely send a message. Blue candle here. I don't know. Do we want to take it? See how it ends. Why are you looking forward till tomorrow? Ah, okay. I thought you were looking forward to our 9-hour long live stream. Blue candle went away anyway there. Made the decision easy. I mean, I don't know if they're going to do a promo, but they might. They said they weren't going to do many sales there. That's the word I'm looking for. My brain is fried today. Sales on the starter plans. They still run sales on the experts, so we'll have to see. I mean, I don't know how expensive that DX feed is for their side. If it's cheaper than on the starters, than like a Rhythmic or TradeDay. Oops. I gotta change that Apex. I forgot to change the Nightbot. I need to change the Bulenox too. Hard to remember every place I need to change stuff when stuff changes. Probably actually replace the Apex at some point. I lost my, oh, never mind. There we go. We're definitely choppy this morning. Hey, 10x trader. Yeah, I mean, if I see a signal, I'll take it. But right now, I really haven't seen anything I like. Hey, Rod, how you doing? Hey, 10x, did you join my Discord a day or two ago? Okay. It put you when you joined. It put you in. Uh, Basically, it suspended you from the Discord from posting because the 0x looks like ox, and it thought you were uh, trying to be a fake ox. I did go in and fix it. I had to adjust your username to separate the 10 from the X, but your account you should be good over there now. Yeah, the Discord is rocking, Rod. So I was just making you aware in case you tried to post it all that first day. That's what happened. Because we get so many fake oxen, we've had to put it on the Discord that it immediately, anytime a username looks like ox, it immediately quarantines. That's the word I'm looking for. Quarantines. So I can deal, we can deal with it and they can't post. But every now and then it will catch a legit account wrongly. Yeah, Discord is definitely amazing how much activity it's gotten, even before the Blue Sky controversy. Yeah, sir, it's still like anywhere between 2 to 4 fake oxen a week that end up being banned. But unfortunately, by the time they changed the username, uh, by the time they changed the username, they already have the member list. So, um, I would have to send you the code for it. I can't publish that one on TradingView because it's deluxe algo. The only adjustment between what's available, between the regular, is that when the lines get more than 30 apart, it it turns red or green for the distance from them, and it puts that little line on the chart. And you can see here when those lines get apart, you often get a reversal move. But I could send you that. I can send you the updated script. Yeah, Rod, you probably would. That's a good question. Probably, I believe anything with ox in it's gonna get flagged. No, I stopped using the RTI a few months back now. How you doing, Chris? I just ended up finding this, and I liked it better. It gives me better. It better complements my engulfings. Put it that way. I'm doing good, thank you. Hey, Tipped. Good morning. Remember, guys, 9 hour long live stream tomorrow morning, 2:30 a.m. Eastern time to 11:30. Good, Tipped. Glad to hear that. Yeah, well, I was using 30 seconds for a while, actually, Tipped. Actually, I was actually had a 15-second chart for a while. I just felt like my brain couldn't make those decisions fast enough on those time frames. I liked it, but my brain just wasn't computing fast enough. News coming up in just under 3 minutes. Bouncing. I'm usually flat as news hits, and then we'll try. If I see a play on the reaction to it, then I will. Then I will. But I hardly ever hold into a news event. No problem. 50 seconds or so. Twenty seconds. Boom. Big boom. Wowzers. 57 points. New high day, I believe. Yeah, new high day. Old high day was 24. Burst through. Up to 235. 253. 82-point candle. I really want to go short here. I haven't pressed the button, but I really do want to go short here. I went short 5 micros. See if I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm not logged in. Crap. Where am I logged in at? I hate this. Excuse me while I try to figure out where the heck TradingView has me logged in at. There it is. Meanwhile, I I'm down on this trade, and I didn't get out fast enough because I'm here trying to figure this out. Oh, there we go. Now I'm positive. Yay. Now I'm negative. Wow. Wildness. Where the heck's my stop? I see it up there. I just can't grab it. Come on. I can't get my stop. Still can't. Now I can. I need to stop at the top. Does seem like it's grinding up the bands now. Looks like I am going to take the stop. Yep, there we go. That's a nice day. So I was wrong. I mean, I was right. I could have got 100 ticks or more out of it, but I was fighting with being logged in. Five micros, yeah. 213. Yeah, it was first trade. Now it's going to come down. Hit that first resistance there. Let's see what happens there now, I know. Instead of trying to fight it, I should have just taken it to that resistance line. Now it's using that resistance line as support and heading up further. So if we look at NQ over here, we are now higher than we've been since that great big fall on the 1st of August. Still rising. Anyone else take any dumb trades yet? I mean, seriously, anyone else taking any trades yet, or off this news? By the way, once again, I want to point out, and I really need to start tracking this. Really, really, really need to start tracking this. If I get a colored candle, a blue or a purple, before a news event or even the open, I notice it almost always goes the way that candle goes. And you can see here, this was a tiny, tiny blue candle here, and then we boomed. Now it seems like we might have hit the top, maybe. Pulls back here, 302. So we got back above 19,300. It's been a pretty amazing recovery since our one-day recession. Hey, Speed Racer, how you doing? Okay, so the indicator that I'm using is it was a mashup. I can send you the code so you could put it on if you know how to put it on TradingView with just the raw code. In order for me to actually publish it, I'm gonna need to do some editing just to because it's two different engulfing candle scripts um, put together. So I would need to make sure I put attributes to the two originals in there and stuff. How are you doing so far, Speed Racer? Also, I use the lowest possible settings. You can set the size of the scale of the engulfing, and it says minimum candle size in pips. The person who originally coded was a forex trader instead of futures. I just set it both to 1, which is the lowest possible. Higher numbers, you would see it less sensitive. Awesome, thank you, Speed Racer. I appreciate that. Oh, did like that purple until it pulled back there right at the end. Morning, Rad. Nice to see you. How you doing? Yeah, Discord's been busy. It's almost like the heyday of the Earn the Trade Discord. We are sideways. Still, nope, there we go, rising back. So you can see how it's sideways, met the 9, shook the 9's hand, and then decided to go away from the 9. Back up to 3, I shouldn't say back up, new high day, 316. Still rising. Purple candle here. Uh, Oh, getting hard to see there too. Let's scrunch a bit. There we go. Still going up. 330. Getting to the point that it was almost like those bad days never happened. We switch to a daily chart. It was easier. So you can see here, 8-1 is when we were up to 19,717. Before we started pulling back. I hate floating candles like that. Obviously that worked, but I just have trouble with trends. I'm still, I'm constantly thinking, oh, this can't continue out. Then it continues out. The drop. Gonna try a micro short there. Just down to the 9 is my goal. I don't know. TradingView has been very laggy. I don't want to say laggy, but like just doesn't move real good anymore. There we go. That's a purple. Sniffing that 9, not getting through it. 9's at 327. Nope, back up to my entry. Nope. Bouncing with the blue. It stays blue, I'll get out. Coming back down though. Morning, Juan. How are you? Out. Oh, another loss. Giving back everything from yesterday. When all my troubles seem so far away. Morning, Ace. You're early. Oh, school day. School starts. Hey, market trend. Oh, looks like I might be trying to come down, but gold with a bounce over there. Stop. Stop. Excuse me, I'm taking care of something on. Top of the hour. I'm dealing with something on my Discord before it blows up, so excuse me for not talking for a couple minutes. Sideways here. I didn't miss anything during that little Discord issue. We're sideways. Didn't even get top of the hour pop. I'm interested in that purple if it stays below the 9. It's our ATR 12. It's a small candle. Purple went away. Popping back up. Might head back. Might head up toward that next red line. We'll see. How's everyone doing so far this morning? We are 25 minutes till the bell. You're smarter than man, yeah, smarter man than me. 10x. Or person, I should say. I guess I shouldn't assume gender. Once again, reminder, tomorrow we are doing a 9-hour long live stream, 2:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. RJ will be on the mic with me the entire time, so he doesn't oversleep. Join us for some or all of that. Not enunciating my words this morning. Sitting on the 9 EMA here. This loss I took here, by the way, that got out on the blue candle. If I had stayed in, you can see I could have actually got a small win there. Now it comes down. Hey, Hassan. And down we come. It's a purple candle. I'm interested, actually. Let's see. I think I just hit the button twice. I hope I didn't know. Oh, I did. I'm in with 2 contracts. Watch me freak out now. I'm out. It's probably going to drop, but the fact that I was in with 2 yeah, I could have got more. I didn't like it there, though, because I was in with the 2. I should have just got out with 1. But it ended up being a win, and it was a decent win, too, because of those 2 contracts. $3 points times 2, so it ended up being 6 points. Now watch it drop 50 here just because, you know, I could have got like, you know. I want to get this MyFundedFutures account to fund it. And then I'll baby it. Honestly, I'll just build it up with micros probably for a while till it has a decent balance. Euronext commodity futures come to TradingView. Yeah, see, that would have been a great trade if I hadn't like freaked out about going in with 2 contracts. Ooh, excuse me. Usually I mute before that happens. Sitting here, 328. Didn't go down far. I mean, a little pullback. Are we going to see an uptrend all day like we have the last few days? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask at MightyOxTrading. Morning, RJ. How are you? You gonna nap after your golf today, RJ, and until the start of the stream? does. It's 130 for me. Yeah. Uh, yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. That'd be 1230 for him. They're sitting here around 19,320. School starts today for him, Ace, so he's gonna need his beauty sleep. I mean, he's not going to school, but the kids are. He might be going to school. I don't know. I'm sure we'll find something. Oh, awesome. Now that's preparing. So 10 minutes till the bell. Sitting here. $328. Down. Market is definitely chilled out already. This was like last week or the week before. Will it still be raging at like a 30 ATR? A little blue pop. Everybody's gotten quiet. Ooh, thunder. Well, the thunder isn't getting quiet. I do have a thunderstorm over top of me. Doesn't look too bad though by radar. Big old blotch. Sitting here. Guess we're gonna wait to the bell. Nice little pop off that blue candle. Just I wasn't trusting it being wrapped around those EMAs. Ooh, look at that pop right here, a couple minutes before the bell. Boom, 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 boom. Ace is in here to tell us 2 minutes. Nice pop here before the bell. New high day. Yeah, I'm wrong. 371 is high day. I apologize. You're back to your morning chaos in your house, huh, Ace? Wow, quick up and then quick rejection. Feeders popping up. Came back down, popping back up, popping fresh dough. And down. Not sure which way it wants to go yet. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. And from a 5-minute perspective, nice bounce there on the 5 off the 9. Huh. Continues up. Ooh, it rejects off that red line of resistance. Big old purple candle. Wow. Taking the short. Oh, it's going to bounce on me and immediately knock me out, isn't it? Oops, I'm here shrinking the chart instead of getting my stop. Swear I changed the ATM on that. Why? I'm not sure why the ATM was so high. I mean, the stop was so high. Looks like I'm going to get nailed. That's 15 points already back up. Five micros. Ooh, touches the Bollinger and bounces back down. Still above the 9 though. Big rumble of thunder. Not sure if that's coming across the mic or not. And I'm going to get stopped out. I tried to stay in, tried to use my strat, but that did not work. I guess I shouldn't have taken that because it stopped right on the 20. Oh, look at that. Watch it bounce down now. That was a nice loss. And back down. Blue candle pop. Should have taken it for 10. Goes through. Trying to hit 19.4. I have to beat this problem I have in not wanting to take in trend moves. Look at this. All three of these blue candles would have worked. I take the purple candle. I didn't. I would be doing so well right now if I just took the in momentum or in trend, whatever you want to say, moves. Still trying to rise. No, reject or not. Doesn't know what it wants to do. Oh wow. Yeah, those are, and look how clean those moves are by purples and blues. I need to hire a trading assistant. It points out my signals and other things so I can take them. Oh, whoosh. Kinda, but the problem is I don't like the way TradingView does alerts, uh, and I kind of just brush them off. Where if I had someone in my ear say, "Hey, look at this," there we go. There's a target hit. That was 10 and a half points on the 5 micros off that purple candle. And bounces right back up. So didn't go much further and then bounced. And coming back down. Oh, I've never tried setting an alert on NT. I'll have to look at that. IMAD, if you're still here, I just asked about about that indicator for in Quant Tower. Pops back up. Nice pop. And she has no clue what Quant Tower is. Back up. And if sure IMAD's still here, I might be talking to myself. Excuse me 1 second. Sorry about that. I'm back. And purple candle. Back down. Back up. Stays above the 9. Trying to pop up again. Sandwich between these two resistance areas. Nope, breaks through. Up to 92.5. Up to 19.4. Hit 400 to the tick. Haven't heard from JJR yet this morning. Gold with a bounce. I don't have a gold chart ready, I don't think. Still rising. Short off that purple. Not working. Stopped out. Major strength here today. How you doing, JJR? You don't have to respond if I just, I think about people that are normally here and it's $427.5 new high. ES sitting at 55.35. Still going, just going strong. It's just gonna like go forever. Keep plugging away at it. I'm gonna mute for like 2 minutes here, guys. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. We're still going up. 458. So I'm an idiot. Back. Oh, sorry about the static. 461. Curious what this looks like on a 5-minute. See how much of an idiot I am. Beautiful blue candle there on the 5 as well. Sitting here at 462. Oh, still going. Nothing outlasts the NQ. He just keeps on going and going and going. 717 was the high back on August 1st before we started dropping like a rock. Yeah, that's what, yeah, same thing. So 482. into my chart there. There we go. Now we come down. There's the flush. 20.1 minute candle. Noise you're hearing is me putting groceries away. Yes, I multitask. Back down to the 20. Quick drop. Just the top of the hour for this drop, or I wonder what's causing it all of a sudden. Back down to that, what was a resistance line. Let's see if it acts as support. If my thunderstorms are over, just rain now. Oh, look at that bounce. Almost perfect. Water bill too high there, JJ? That's a good idea, scaling back. Bad trading on my part today as well, honestly. I also watched the entire run up and kept trying to catch reversals that just weren't there. I got to get better at that. It is a must. An absolute must. Hey, I'm only one ox. I'm not an oxen. That's plural. I mean, I'm big enough for two, I guess, but hanging on the 20. Nines come down to greet it. purple candle. Don't know if I trust that. Don't know if I trust that at all. Just sitting there. What do you call that, RJ? Market ES, market trend ES. Are you talking to me or JJR? No, I'm not bowling. Good one, RJ. Good one. Good one. Ace would have liked that, but apparently, I don't know. He has his priorities all messed up. Puts his kids ahead of the stream. I mean, who does that? Scale, I haven't seen you in a long time. How's the trading been going, Scale? Nice pop back up, 23-point candle. Back above the EMAs. Saw that flush down, sideways, back up. So far, could be a lower high, or we could just be going right back up. It'd be a weird pattern to go right back up, but it's possible. Well, hopefully you're a genius scale, and which would mean you make great profits. Blue candle bouncing up, taking the long. Stop just below that blue candle. Or it's supposed to be, but I can't seem to get it to move. Ah! Well, that saved me from getting a bigger loss, so never mind. Chased me back down anyway. Chopping around on the EMAs. Dropping like it's hot. The ATR. Or what are we talking about exactly? ATR is a standard indicator, should be on any trading platform. Average true range. Good question. It should be, but let me take a quick look. Yes. If you go to indicators, and the list, go under volatility, click on volatility, you'll see ATR. Struggling to get it back above this level here, so I didn't take this blue candle. It's been topping out here, boom, 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 and then boom. So I didn't take it. And you can see so far it's 1 sec. Yeah, I have it on 14. And down. I don't think we need to talk about anything prior. What JGR? What time frame? RJ, I mean, I don't think there's anything we need to talk about beforehand. Nothing I can think of. Still running. Okay, so let's look at something here a minute. Yeah, if you were on a 15-second chart, JJR, 7's correct. I think I remember you saying you use a 15-second. 7's correct. Because of because it's so low, such a low time frame, you might need to increase the period. Yeah, it's looking back 14 candles basically. So if you want the 1 minute ATR on a 15-second time frame, then you'll want to put in 14, 28, 50, a 56 period ATR. I have on a 1 minute chart, I have 14. So if you're on a 15-second chart, you'll probably want something like 50. Continuing to rise back up, trying to get 19,500. Well, did it hit it? Did it hit it? Did it hit it? No. 89.75. Thought it would higher than that. Might be a top there. Interesting looking candle. Good job, JJR. Just keep your head on your shoulders. Natural gas really liked its inventories. Purple. So we saw this move up here, up, and then down. I think we're good for a short here. Well, I've been wrong so far today a bunch of times, so you know. Putting my target right on the 20. Looks like I'm going to be wrong again. But we'll see. Stop that. It's not a good day. Looks like he's gonna get it. 99. Gold rocketing up too. There's 500. 501. I mean 500 and a quarter tick. Get gold recovering at least half of that big drop earlier. Look at those clean setups on gold. So you're right. She wanted 500 and didn't go much further, and got the 502. Close enough to 500. 50, I mean 505. Coming down. Trying to go again. Kind of sitting here waiting. See where it wants to go. There was 507. So market trend, what made 505 your target? I just like to hear people's methodology. I was pretty impressive that I was able to get that word out. Oh, okay. I got you. Another blue candle. Sometime over the weekend, I got to count how many blue candles in a trend and how many purple candles in the other and trending down work. And then slap myself because it's probably going to be a very high percentage. Let's see, that one's actually not working so far. Let's see. Hanging right around that 505 level. break of the 9. Maybe. Maybe not. Nope. Bounces off of it again. Still rising. $19,536. Okay. Just overall today we are up 391 points. Pretty amazing. ES up. Oh wait, it's an hourly chart. ES up 70 points. No, I wish. There's a drop. Yep. On YM, I'm gonna be taking a long on feeder cattle. Hi, John. Why are they yelling at you? Ooh, that was a tough entry on feeder cattle. Got slipped 3 ticks. Started off down $37. Well, it's getting yelled at make you want to quit even more now, John? Yep, there we go. I didn't even look at the chat before I asked that question. Robin, aka For Money, quit her job. She's a full-time trader now. Wow, that's wonderful, John. Purple candle. Missed it. I was late. There you go, John. You can even trade well when you're getting yelled at. Oh. Let's say if you need someone to yell at you, I'm sure we can find someone, to do it full time for you. Yeah, I got 11.81. So yeah. John. So yeah, 12 would be correct, rounded up slightly up. You're welcome, JJR. Always out to help. I mean, he hasn't threatened to. His lawyers never called, and he hasn't like threatened me anymore. But Apex is still 1 day past JJR. Um, yeah. See you, RJ. Have a great day. Get some rest. And John, I mean, I'm gonna put out a video about my decision or why I blacklisted him, and then I'll drop it. So as long as he doesn't come after me for that. Yes, and remember, guys, 9-hour broadcast tomorrow, 9-hour stream from 2:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. We will be trading London and New York. Blue sky. No, it's 71% now, JJR, but the 1 day pass still going. Yeah, gray clouds have formed. Yes, they are. I agree, Jamari. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We will be here in like 16 hours from now, 15 hours from now, to start that stream that we just talked about. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. And if you can join us overnight, we'll love to have you. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. We'll see you then. Bye.